Yeah, hi, I'm going to show you how to play the D flat minor chord on the keyboard. First, locate your root note, the D flat. Place your first finger here. Locate your next note. The note is called E. Third finger here. Last note is called A flat. Fifth finger there. The D flat minor chord. Now, because the D flat minor chord is in fact a 3-note chord, you can also have what's known as 3 inversions of the chord. This one is called root inversion or root note inversion because you have the root note at the bottom of the chord. To find our next inversion, simply move the bottom note of the chord all the way to the top, like this. Move your hand. Now this is called first inversion. To get our next inversion, move the bottom note again all the way to the top, like this. This is called the second inversion. Now you'll notice if we move the bottom note, making one more inversion, like this, you will in fact be back at root note inversion, just like the one we started with, only 1 octave higher, right? And of course you can go backwards, downwards on the piano, starting with the root note inversion. Now we move the top note all the way to the bottom. Move the hand. This is D flat minor second inversion. Move the top note to the bottom. Move the hand. This is D flat minor first inversion. And to get all the way home, move the top note one more time, like this. D flat minor root inversion. Okay? Let's just do it one more time. Root, first inversion, second inversion, root inversion. And the other way, starting with root inversion, top note to the bottom, second inversion, one more, first inversion, root inversion. Now to practice these inversions, simply play like this. Root, first, second, root, root, second, first, root. Now you can also practice these inversions using arpeggios. Do like this. Yeah, I guess you heard my flaw there, but I guess you get the picture. So there you have it, the D flat minor chord. So I hope you enjoyed this free piano lesson. Do you want more free piano chord stuff? How about a free piano chord chart? Or a free chord inversion crash course? Or a free chord symbols chart? Simply go to pianochordcharts.net and download your free stuff. Click the link below and I'll see you over there. Please like this video to keep our videos free for future visitors. Thank you.